Hi guys, I want to show you here how to unfold a surface here from one client. So I just want to do a simple demo for this special surface here. It's kind of like a bottle, and you can unfold this surface easily without software here. So once you install the software, and then you can have a plugin loaded into your AutoCAD. So you go to, you type upload here, you can see here, I have already loaded. You click the content here, and then you see here it says already loaded. This is actually the software that I've loaded as unfold surface. And this is actually the plugin for different versions of AutoCAD from 2007 to 21 here, so 2021. So once you loaded this software and get the license here, and then you have a command here. You can have you have several commands here. So you can unfold multi-surface, unfold mesh, and unfold a simple surface. So for this one, it's very simple here. So unfold, just type unfold surface, and click it here, hit the return, and then just select the surface. And here you have a chance to unfold the curve on the surface together with the surface. So we have a 2D contours here with the marking line. You can do that, but we have no curve here, so we just hit the return, and you can get the result. And here's actually the unfold results here. So this surface is not really a good surface. You see here the kind of internally quite it's not smooth at all. But anyway, such double curvature surface is no problem for us, and that's our software designed to do that. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.